Okay, I guess we'll make this video the last video in my 95 Lincoln air conditioning compressor change and charging. This is a follow-up to Lincoln's Online post. Okay, I was directed to go to look here for the total charge in the air conditioning system. And, initially I couldn't tell if it was 2 pounds 6 ounces, or 8, and then I go down here to the Spanish section and I can see it's 2 pounds 6 ounces. So we put 3 cans. The cans come 12 ounces each. So we have 3 cans in there, and that's 36 ounces. So when you break down 2 pounds 6 ounces, you come up with 38. So we need to add 2 ounces more to make it 38. So we're going to put 2 more ounces in it. And a guy at Lincoln's Online wanted me to get a read on the high and low pressure sides of the manifold gauges. So I think we'll do that too. And then we'll take his baby for a ride and do a temperature check on the highway. Okay, I think we have the system fully charged now. I think we have the system fully charged now. So we'll watch the gauges. Compressor kicked on. Still running. So it looks like it's running a little below 25. Now when you look at this older gauge here that I have, we kind of reason out that between 25 and 45 is going to be good. And right now it's at 30. It's not that hot out. So it's cycling. So let's kick it on. We want it to come out a little faster than normal, so we're going to kick the fan a little bit. 61 outside. So let's cruise it on out of here. Oh, there goes the mud flaps. Okay. We'll probably do about 20 for maybe within a quarter mile. We'll be on a 4-lane road. And we're coming up to the 4-lane. Cruising 45. Okay, we'll go with this. Consider the job done. Okay, thanks for your help there, Tim. Wishing the best to everybody at Lincoln's Online.